Hey everyone, I'm Han from Colorlight, and welcome to the second episode of our deep dive into the X40M, the flagship dual 4K controller by Colorlight. Today, I will show you some of its outstanding features. Active 3D for ultimate virtual experience. By pairing with a 3D transmitter and 3D glasses, it achieves 3D display efforts, providing a more realistic and immersive viewing experience. Flexible control across multiple platforms and your fingertips, the X40M supports multiple control methods, including computers, mobile phones, tablets, and central control systems. Web control for easy management. It supports web control and is compatible with various operating systems. You can easily manage and control the device without installing client software, which is more flexible and brings users a more convenient and minimalist operating experience. That wraps up today's Future Spotlight on the X40M. Follow Colorlight to unlock more exciting content. Bye bye.